Hello, friends, welcome to Walk the Beijing channel. Beijing has been raining since Friday under the influence of Typhoon Dusuri, and many regions have issued a red alert for heavy rain, meaning more than 100 millimeters of rain per hour. In the city has no feeling, just see the rain has been splashing down, there are a lot of water on the road. Have a great effect on people's travel. When you go out for a taxi, you have to wait in line for a long time. You can't even get a taxi. Officials are also calling for people to commute between peak hours or work from home rather than out of doors. At noon on the 31st, in the Lugou district and Fangshan district regions of Beijing, it was said that the rain was so heavy that the roads were already flooded. The following is a netizen shot live video. Many vehicles were washed away by the flood.
车已经被冲走了，车里还有人。
车里有人吗？那车里啊？
有人。
有人。快出来呀！
我靠，淹死一人，这回事儿可大了，这回都给出来了。
So far, officials say, 2 people have been killed. Others said that even the Lugou Bridge had been washed away by the flood, but the authorities quickly dismissed the rumor, saying that it was not Marco Polo Bridge but a nearby bridge. And that the Marco Polo Bridge River was a protection unit and could not be opened to traffic. There are a lot of cars floating under the washed-out bridge. It doesn't look like Marco Polo Bridge. The weather forecast said that there will be rain all the time in the coming week, which will be a big test for Beijing. As early as July 21, 2012, Beijing has been because of heavy rain, causing serious damage. Did not expect more than 10 years later, the Beijing sewer or no progress, is still rain on the water surface. Then someone said, people cannot see the sewer, why bother to repair it? Have that time we also have to do more superficial, so that the leadership also saw, everyone is happy. No matter how heavy the rain is, it's the people who are unlucky. Who cares if the people live or die? Although the authorities sent a lot of rescue teams, waiting under the roadside bridge, but the safety of those rescue team members, who really care about it? That's all for today. Welcome to Click Like, pay attention, and continue to pay attention to the follow-up situation. See you next time.